Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is the big day. You can finally view the full features of my 10-day detox plan reset. This is the moment I've been building up to and I'm so excited to share it with you. Over the last few videos, I've walked you through the powerful herbs in the plan like dandelion root for liver health, burdock root for cleansing, and turmeric to reduce inflammation. I've talked about why this isn't just another detox. It's a reset for your body, your mind, and your habits. But today, you'll get to see what's actually in the plan. I've made it so simple, so practical, and so easy to follow. You'll know exactly what to do step by step. Now, this 10-day detox reset includes 3 satisfying meals every day, plus snacks to keep you full and energized but feeling lighter. Herbal teas with clear instructions for how and when to use them. A structure that has a complete picture for a successful detox. And best of all, access to our Telegram group where you can share your journey, ask questions, and get encouragement from like-minded health seekers. And here's what makes this special. This isn't just a plan you try once and forget about. It's a tool that you can return to whenever your body needs a reset. It's flexible and empowering, and you won't feel hungry, overwhelmed, or lost. Now, it's designed for you to succeed, whether you're a beginner or someone who's tried detoxing before and struggled, and tired, of course. And I've included everything you need, so there's no confusion. You'll feel supported every step of the way. Now, this is the perfect time with dry January right around the corner. This plan couldn't have come at a better time. So if you've been feeling tired, bloated, or just not yourself, this is your chance to hit the reset button and feel amazing going into the new year. And trust me, you'll feel the difference. So, the full plan is available to view right now. Just click the link in the description below to see all the details and get ready to transform your health. And if you pre-order before January 1st, you'll get the early bird offer at just £27 for the full package, which includes the herbs shipped directly to your door. Or if you already have a trusted source for high quality organic herbs, the guide is perfect for you at only £10, a small investment in a healthier, happier you. So let me know in the comments, what part of the detox excites you the most? Is it the nourishing recipes, the powerful herbs, or the supportive Telegram community? I can't wait to hear from you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips, updates, and wellness inspiration for your ultimate well-being. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, be healthy, stay happy, and always be wise.